Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Food Tech Network. My name is Hanush Sharma. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very new course that we are going to launch. It's a APEDA Assistant Manager course. In this lecture, you are going to know each and every detail that is associated with this course. So stay with me to the end to get all the necessary details and excel in this exam. Food Tech Network's APEDA online course. Be exam ready with the best instructors. Food Tech Network offers an APEDA online course with top industry and research experts. Our past successes speak for our commitment to help you not only pass the exam but also excel in it. Our course is curated by experts considering previous papers, the latest exam pattern, and the syllabus comprehensively. You all know that we have launched various courses in the past and it has brought success to many. So let us quickly see what all we have in this course. So we are going to offer an online course for the APEDA Assistant Manager examination. Our team of experts have analyzed previous year's question paper, the latest exam pattern, and the syllabus to ensure your success. We know that APEDA stands for Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. It is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. APEDA is responsible for the promotion and development of export of agricultural and processed food products from India. The organization plays a crucial role in boosting the export potential of Indian agricultural and food products on a global scale. So when we talk about the exact role, APEDA Assistant Manager job, so this role is a significant position responsible for assisting in various functions related to the promotion and development of agricultural and processed food products which are developed in India. So the responsibilities may include coordinating with exporters, facilitating the export of agricultural products, ensuring compliance with quality and safety standards, and assisting in the implementation of government policies related to exports. They may also work on market research, trade promotion, and documentation related to exports. It is always the post for APEDA Assistant Manager is shortlisted by conducting an examination. This examination is a competitive one conducted by APEDA to select qualified candidates for the Assistant Manager position. The examination is designed to assess the candidate's knowledge, skills, and aptitude in areas related to agriculture, export management, trade promotion, and more. The examination typically consists of multiple choice questions, written tests, interviews, and other evaluation methods, depending on the specific requirements which will be set by APEDA. So the unique features of the course which we are going to offer you is it is going to be online. You are going to study this at the comfort of your home. The study materials and notes will be provided by us in a very comprehensive manner. The recorded lectures will be available so that if you're not able to take the live classes or all these things, then you can have the recorded ones. There will be 5 mock tests to assess your progress and check at what stage do you lie. Let us quickly go through the faculty available. So the subject wise faculty is on your screens. For general awareness, we have Ms. Mahima, who happens to be a UPSC means qualified and a PhD holder candidate. English will be dealt by Ritupma Mukherjee ma'am, who is from OCI. Reasoning will be taken by Ms. Rishti. She is an unacademy professional and a PhD holder as well. APEDA course content will be taken by Mr. Manjeet, and who is a business development officer at APEDA. Food chemistry will be taken by Ms. Ankita Srivastav, who is an assistant professor at Lucknow University. Food microbiology will be taken by Ms. Priyanka Yadav, who is an assistant professor at Chadha University. Food laws will be taken by Ms. Roni Sanyal, who is who's a food law expert at FSSAI. Food processing and technology will be taken by Mr. Roshan Khan, who is an assistant professor at Delhi University. Food preservation will be taken by Roshan Khan sir only, and then the essay writing will be taken by Ritupena Mukherjee ma'am from OCI. Now let us quickly go through the syllabus which is going to be covered in the subjects which we are going to teach. So for general awareness, we will be teaching you history, geography, economics, political science and general science. In case of English, idioms and phrases, nouns and pronouns, synonyms, antonyms, homonyms, verbs, grammar, indirect and direct speech, active and passive voice. In case of reasoning, we'll be studying about analogy and syllogism, coded equations, classification and blood relation, direct questions, arithmetic reasoning and Venn diagram. In food science and technology, we'll be studying food chemistry, food microbiology, food law, food processing and technology, food preservation and additives. Essays and precis writing will include brief of PW, rules of PW, important features of PW, do's and don'ts of PW, and steps to follow for PW. So coming to the class details, so the class is going to be 60 hours long, approximately it will be running for approximately 2 months, and the batch is going to begin from 7th of November this year. Classes will be held 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and the timing is going to be from 7 to 8 p.m. in the evening. Now we are coming with an exclusive offer of providing this course at just 3,799 instead of almost 6,000 rupees. So it is never to miss opportunity, and we know that like government and public sector undertakings are so lucrative job options to work in India. So don't fade for anything and like just choose us to leverage and elevate your career and be a part of the esteemed APEDA organization. I'll show you how can you go to the website link given in the description box and apply for this exam. So all the necessary details which I just told you are already available on our website. So you can see this data. So here you have to click on the apply icon and you will get a Google form. So you have this data once again. So here you need to fill like your name, your WhatsApp number, your address, date of birth, qualification, name of the institution like the college which you are studying in, your gender, your email, and like here you have the payment details. So like you need to make the payment on this UPI ID via Google Pay, Phone Pay and or ATM, and this is the account details, and just take the screenshot of that payment and put it in this upload payment receipt option. You also need to have the transaction ID ready, which you need to put here, and after that you need to share your payment receipt on this link. After doing all these things, just submit and you will be enrolled for the program. So this was all about today's video. I hope all your doubts regarding APEDA Assistant Manager course that we are going to begin have been resolved. If you still have any question, put them down in the comment section. We'll always be happy to respond to them. Subscribe to this channel if you want to stay updated with all the food tech related stuff. You can join our WhatsApp group, follow us on Instagram and Telegram for more food tech related stuff. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.